today I'm going to show you something which I've never seen in such an awesome combination, and that's a mini tire pump or inflator for pretty much anything. I've already been testing a lot of tire inflators and usually they work really good, but such a small thing can have huge advantages compared to full size, really super heavy tire inflator. So this is much more portable, and it has also one big additional advantage which a lot of people maybe don't realize at the moment, but I'm not talking about this huge advantage now. I will show you that during the inflation process. So this thing can work great at home or also while traveling for bikes, cars, and a lot of inflatable toys like volleyballs. Here we have the gray color, comes nicely sealed here. Yeah, looks already pretty good already here outside. So this could be also an awesome gift. Comes with a short instructions manual, and then we have it nicely stored here inside with really a lot of cushion. I love this. And you get also a lot of accessories underneath. So get this storage and transportation bag and a ton of nozzles. So we remove the protection. Yeah, watch this thing, absolutely awesome, small, powerful, beautiful. So we get this modern USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and we can even charge it USB-C to USB-C with PD because it has a built-in PD trigger. Definitely a very modern device. And this awesome carabiner hook which we can just slide in here, and then we hang it, for example, on the backpack. Comes with this standard Schrader adapter, very easy to attach and release. If we need Presta, we can open the nozzle and insert the Schrader to Presta adapter, close it again, so we can use it for a lot of mountain bikes, other bikes as well. Or we can use this special nozzle which works, for example, for volleyballs. But the really super interesting construction is here in this valve. That's something which I've never seen before. I mean, actually we don't have to remove that, but I wanted to show you that we can easily connect standard hose here inside. Fits perfectly. But instead of using this hose, we can assemble two direct connections for Presta and Schrader. For the Presta we need this valve body and one of these seal rings. They are exactly the same. So I'm using this one here, and we have to put it inside here with the small hole to the top, something like that. And then we can secure it with this valve cap and just screw it here inside. So this is how we can use it directly for a Presta valve. And the awesome thing is, because it's so lightweight, we really don't need a hose. We can just plug it, stick it onto the valve and use it directly there. Or for a Schrader, we remove this again, remove the seal ring, and here we use this valve core and one of the seal rings with the large opening upwards. So we push it from underneath, put it here inside, and also secure it with the valve cap. So this is how we can use it directly on a Schrader valve, for example on a car tire, also without having to use this hose. Yeah, that's absolutely phenomenal flexibility, something which I've never seen before. And to turn it on, we long press for 2 or 3 seconds, goes automatically into this bicycle mode. Always shows the preset number in PSI. When we want to switch to a different preset, we hit the minus. You can see now it's on motorcycles, 35 PSI. We press again the minus, switches to volleyballs, 8 PSI. And so we can cycle through these settings. If we need, we can adjust the target PSI. So when we just short press, you can see it goes to the preset and then adjust with the plus and the minus, either short press or long press. Very easy to use. So for example, we can use target 30 PSI. Always switches back then to the current pressure, and so it will always show the current pressure through the inflating process, and then it will stop automatically when it has reached the target pressure, or we can stop it here also manually. And so here at my mountain bike, I've released all the pressure. It's at 0 PSI, and so I'm setting this to 30 PSI target. Push it just here directly over the valve and start it. You can see it has turned off fully automatically, and it has inflated a large mountain bike tire in only around 2 minutes from 0 to 30 psi. You can remove that easily. Of course, in this area it's very hot now, don't touch here. Again, as an alternate solution, we could also use it like that. I've added the Presta to Schrader adapter, push it on top, secure it, and start it from here. And so I've stopped it manually this time. And there's a really cool thing, as you can see, because it's so lightweight, we can just leave it here like that. The valve can easily support this weight here, and so you don't have to hold it the whole time, and you don't have to use an extension. Just put it here and leave it there until it's finished with inflating. Yeah, so definitely a pretty cool thing. Could be a great help for an emergency or traveling. The only thing which you have to know, it's definitely super small, so the battery is also small, and the heat dissipation is somehow limited after inflating this bicycle tire for 2 minutes. This thing was really hot. I mean, not unbearable hot, but really hot. And so I definitely wouldn't recommend to inflate a full car tire. And so I tried it and it always failed, and I couldn't figure out what the problem was. And so I replaced the hose here with another hose, and you can see now it works. Pretty cool thing, definitely. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.